Hello everyone, Hatem for Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you this dog repeller. Actually this machine for kicking dogs away from you. If you are being surrounded by street dogs or you walk with your dog and the street dog's bothering you, so you can buy it and pointing in the face and it's gonna kick them away. Actually I bought it here not for this because I have an electric bike. And always when I go in the street, dogs here in Ukraine running behind me and they bother me and they bark on me and I don't like this headache. I don't want to hurt them. I can stop my bike and out to them, finish them one by one. But I don't want to hurt them since they not try to bite me. But barking on me and stuff like this, it's bothering me. And this is I am blaming here the Ukrainian government, that shame on them that every city in Ukraine here you find street dogs by unusual way. Just in Kyiv, little bit they collect them. You will not find in Kyiv because it's the capital city. But if you go to other cities like Uman, like Cherkassa, like Mykolaivska, like such cities like this, you will find by unusual way. Every city have over than 300 dogs. And the government should collect them. They should collect them and put them in place like Europe. It's not a modern view at all that street dogs surrounding you and running in the street and they may bite your kids, they may annoying your home dog and stuff like that. Anyway guys, this is people tested front of my eyes. I'm gonna unbox it for you now, but I saw it front of my eyes. The shop that I bought it from him, he put out it from box, not this one, another one, and he tested front of me and she kicked dogs. Listen, this is the cheapest one that costs $7. You can find more expensive than this. I found one, but this shop wasn't have. If you have, I will buy it. There is, I found in eBay, after I bought this actually, I found in eBay one cost like $25, but looks really stronger than this. This one is the best cheapest, you understand me? But guys, before we go anywhere further, please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up. You don't miss any one of my videos. Sometimes I show something rare or something cool you may need it in your life. So you're not gonna miss it in my videos. Super Ultrasonic 150. This is 300 meter as they say. I don't know, nice or no. No emissions, protection sonic, electric repeller with sonic technology, training dog, bench dog machine, which is mean training dog and bench dog machine, which is mean this is a machine to kick dog away. Listen guys, oh wait, there's attention here. Attention, your dog frequency, you only can get good result with the dog bay to you. Don't emit ultrasound wave to your ear directly. So they said don't point it to your ears, you know, just do it far away. So let's see this have sound, doesn't have sound. I will put it on my bicycle and do it. See guys, here the draw dog in the middle. This is for sound, this is for kicking him. I guess this is for training him because I have 3. You know guys, it's not damaging dog or anything like this. Don't you think that this is gonna damage your dog or something, or damage dog? It's just to do sound that they doesn't like this sound. You got me? It is just doing sound that dogs doesn't like this sound. That's all. So this is flashlight. This is train, this is kick. Yeah, you know guys, when I point it to my ears, I hear sound, see? Oh, you know guys, when I point it to my ears, I hear sound, it's kinda like this, you know? So it's, maybe it's not good for my ears, so. Yeah, you know guys, when I did it to my ears, I hear sound. So, you have, this one is flashlight, okay? In the middle, this is training your dog. As you see, they draw for you like he's jump or happy. And this one, let's do it. Yeah, this is do sound like shh. This one is doing sound. So this one is kicking dog. Okay, nice. I will keep it for emergency. Actually guys, I'm not gonna try it now on dogs because it's outside now is plus 35, which is mean hell have ice 3, part 3. But guys, as I told you that the owner of shop front of my eyes, I tried in dogs. As I tell you, street dogs in Ukraine everywhere. There is a street dog which beside the shop. He do it like this and he wake up, run away. He wake up to understand what's there. Oh, what's there? He run. So I'm not saying that you should buy it to bother dogs, but when the dog is bothering you, you bother him back. If he is more aggressive or he won't. But I don't think, but you know guys, I don't think that if dog wanna attack you and you will do this for him, this ultrasonic sound, he will still want to attack you. I guess he will run away. Maybe if he's stupid, mad pit bull at all, this is something else. And you can deal by your legs and hands. You know, but guys, I'm sure the better brand than this, it will be more stronger than this, I'm sure. Anyway guys, this is all about this machine, the bench for dogs. And you can see it in yourself in Amazon and eBay and order it. It's not expensive, but it's so important to have it in your bag. Especially when you live in some countries like Russia, Ukraine, and these countries that they leave dogs outside in the street and do not care of them. So you need it with you, as I see. Always you have to keep it with you. So guys, this is all about today. We will see another video with more and more. Don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like the video. And peace and love and money for every one of you.